The question is, a piece of ice is heated at a constant rate. Now the variation of temperature with heat input is shown in the following graph, that is this graph. Now, what are represented by AB and CD? So AB in this particular graph represents the melting of ice into water. As you can see here at A point it was ice. Now at B point it is completely water. Now during this phase change, the heat energy supplied is used to break the bonds holding the ice structure together rather than increasing the temperature. Here the temperature will remain constant. Now the CD segment, that is this segment, represents boiling of water into steam or water vapor. So at C point it was water and at D point it was completely converted into steam. Similar to melting, during boiling, the heat energy is used up to overcome the intermolecular forces of liquid water, allowing it to transition into the gaseous phase. Here also the temperature will remain constant at 100 degrees Celsius, okay, until all the water is vaporized. What conclusions can you draw regarding the nature of ice from the given graph? Now, from this given graph, we can conclude that ice has a definite melting point of 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now, in case of pure ice, it is 0 degrees Celsius, and the flat line AB indicates that ice melts at a specific temperature 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now, ice requires latent heat of melting, or we can say the latent heat of fusion. Now, the heat energy supplied during AB is known as latent heat of melting or latent heat of fusion. Okay. Now, here the temperature also remain constant. Now, this heat energy is known as latent heat of fusion. Now, water formed from the ice has a definite boiling point. Now, the flat line CD indicates that the water boils at specific temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Now, water formed from the ice requires latent heat of boiling. Now, the heat energy supplied during CD is used for the phase change or boiling and for not increasing the temperature. Now, this is known as latent heat of vaporization. Ice and the water formed from it has a specific heat capacities at different phases. Now, the slope lines, as you can see, AB between AB and CD, that is this, and after CD indicates that the temperature increases as the heat is supplied. Now the slopes of these lines are related to specific heat capacities of ice, water and steam respectively. Now these different slope indicate different specific heat capacities. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.